is called a Pennsylvania. There's not much written about this. In fact, there's nothing. It's just the ingredients and that's it. So we're getting right into it. A Pennsylvania starts off with 1 part grenadine. Grenadine. Then it's 2 parts pineapple juice. I was thinking of Pauladine. Racist. It's 2 parts. And then it's 8 motherfucking parts of, it's supposed to all be the transparent rum. White rum is what it's actually called. Fuck me sideways. I don't think I have 8 parts, so I have a backup plan. We'll get as far as we can with this. It's not wrong. It's just also not right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Might get 5 out of this. Not quite 5. So we're mixing in not transparent rum. This is Bacardi Gold. It's been aged 6, 7, and 8. We're splitting this between 3 people today, so I would recommend not doing this. Obviously, we're going to use some ice. This shaker is basically full. We're here! Alright, trying this thing. It's called a Pennsylvania. Wow, for that much rum, you can barely tell that it's mostly rum. What do you guys think?
The pineapple has like a strong hit to it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, pineapple goes kind of a long way.
I mean,
that's why pineapple is best fruit.
It's good, but I taste the rum.
The rum is strong with this one. This does seem like something. This is one that would probably be really good if you did seltzer with it, for sure. But it's good anyway. It's just not gonna last long. Thanks. Subscribe or whatever. Toodles.